Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing one strong photo and launching the chosen search tool. Take a front view in soft light and crop to the face. This reduces false positives. Once done, upload that image and grant necessary permissions so the service can analyze features. Make sure to pick a tool you trust. Some use cloud processing while others run locally. You'll see a progress indicator. Watch for prompts to add a second photo if quality is low or lighting differs. Then continue. You now refine results by adding more images and adjusting filters so the algorithm focuses on relevant populations. Upload a side profile and a smiling photo to capture variable features, then set age range and location radius to trim the pool. Once set, inspect confidence scores and sort matches by similarity. That helps you prioritize. If you spot many low confidence hits, change lighting or switch models. Some tools offer a stricter or looser matching algorithm, so you can balance recall versus precision. You finish by verifying top candidates before taking any action. Cross-check images with reverse image search and examine unique identifiers like tattoos or background details to confirm identity. If matches look promising, reach out respectfully and disclose how you found them. If results are weak, troubleshoot. Use higher resolution photos, adjust age/location filters, or try a different matching engine. Remember to respect privacy and legal boundaries. Stop if someone objects and delete images if requested.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.